In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Google Sheets. This is a simple skill, but it can make your spreadsheets much easier to read, more professional, and a lot more organized. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to highlight cells, entire rows, or even your whole sheet with the colors you want. First, open your Google Sheet and decide which part you want to format. To start, you need to select the cells whose background color you want to change. If you only want one cell, just click directly on that cell. If you want to color a group of cells, click on the first cell, then hold and drag your mouse over the range you want to select. You'll see a light border showing you exactly what's highlighted. If you'd like to change the background color for an entire row or column, click on the row number or the column letter at the top. And if you want to color the entire sheet at once, click the small blank square in the very top left corner, where the row numbers and column letters intersect. That instantly selects all cells in the sheet. Once your cells are selected, look toward the top of the screen at the toolbar. Find the icon that looks like a little paint bucket. This is the Fill Color tool, and it controls the background color of your cells. Click that paint bucket, and a color menu will appear. Here, you'll see a palette of standard colors you can choose from. Just move your mouse over a color to preview it on your selected cells, then click to apply it. The color change is immediate, so you'll know right away if it works for what you're trying to do. If you don't like it, just click the paint bucket again and pick a different color, or choose the option to reset to white. If you need more specific colors, look for options like custom colors or advanced settings in that same menu. There, you can enter exact hex or RGB codes, or use an eyedropper tool if it's available, to match a color from elsewhere on your screen. This is especially helpful if you're following a brand style or need consistent colors across multiple sheets. One important tip: background colors can sometimes be affected when you cut and paste cells. In some cases, the color might not move exactly how you expect, so double-check your formatting after moving data around. And that's it. You've learned how to select cells, open the Fill Color tool, and apply standard or custom background colors in Google Sheets.